how you can convert a photo to PDF in the OKEN Scanner app. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the OKEN Scanner app on your phone. Once it opens, you'll see an icon to use your camera. Tap the camera icon and take a photo of the document or picture you want. And if you already have a photo saved on your phone, tap the Import option and choose the photo from your gallery. After that, once you have taken or picked your photo, tap the Continue button. Now you will see some filters you can apply to the image. You can change the filter if you like, or just leave it as it is. Then tap the Done button and the scan will be saved. Now everything is ready. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Then select the Document Sharing or Export option and choose the PDF format to convert the image into a PDF file. Once you do that, the app will make a PDF out of your photo. Now you can send the PDF through social apps like WhatsApp or email, or just save it on your phone. It is super easy. And that's it. That's how you can convert a photo to PDF in the OKEN Scanner app.